Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. Today, we are going to learn about asking for direction as part of everyday dialogues. I suggest you write down any new words from the dialogues and memorize them. Okay, let's get started. Excuse me, can you help me? Yes, of course. What do you need? I'm looking for the library. Where is it? The library is on Maple Street. Do you know how to get there? I'm not sure. Can you tell me? Sure. First, go straight on this road for about 3 blocks. Then you will see a big supermarket on your left. Then turn right there onto Oak Street. You need to walk straight on Oak Street until you see a park on your left. When you see the park, turn left onto Maple Street. The library will be just ahead on your left. Now, let me repeat your direction. So, first, I need to go straight for 3 blocks, correct? Then, once I see a supermarket, I need to turn right at the supermarket onto Oak Street. On the Oak Street, I need to walk straight until I see a park. And then I need to turn left at the park onto Maple Street. And the library will be on my left. Is that correct? That's correct. It's a big building with a sign in front. You can't miss it. Thank you so much. Have a good day to you. You're welcome. You too. Okay, everyone, the dialogue for asking for direction has ended now. However, please stay tuned because I will create another video on preposition to describe location and movement. This way, when someone asks you for direction, you will know how to help them. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it to your family or friends so they can learn English together with you. Until next time, everyone. Bye now.